Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to review a new product that's in the market today. And this is another meal replacement shake which is available in the market from a popular Indian brand, that is Saffola, right? So this is the name of this product is Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet, right? So it's a meal replacement shake, and today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. First of all, you can see instead of one pack, I have two cans in my hand. Basically, there's an offer right now which is on, which provides you, when you buy one can, you get another pack free. So there's buy one get one free offer that is there, right? So it's written right here. So it comes packed together like this. I bought it on Amazon, so it's available on Amazon, quite a good discount. So I chose to go for Amazon. I left a link in the description below, so you can also purchase it from there if you like it. So yeah, starting off with the packaging, it comes in these two canister cans right here, plastic bottles, and they are packed in together inside a plastic wrap here. So let's quickly open that up. Here it goes. So let's just take one pack right now. So this is how it comes packaged in a plastic bottle, which is nice and tough plastic bottle right here. Right on top, the offer is given buy one get one free, right? Right here we can see the Saffola FITTIFY branding right here, and it says FITTIFY Gourmet, created by nutritionists. It's a high protein slim milkshake. So basically this is for weight loss, meal replacement purposes. If you are looking to lose weight, you can replace a few meals of a day with this shake, right? You can replace like a breakfast or your dinner, or both the meals with this meal replacement shake. That's how the meal replacement shake works. Basically, it provides your body with all the necessary nutrients and vitamins and proteins that it requires, and enough amount of calories that your body will require through a glass of like this meal replacement shake, right? So it's a high protein slim meal shake. The flavor here is Swiss chocolate flavor, and this product is for weight control and management. Every serving provides you 19.2 grams of protein, that is almost 20 grams of protein, 4.1 grams of fiber, 26 vitamins and minerals, 206 kcals of energy you'll get from that, which is up to 70% lesser calories than any normal meal that you would have in a day. With 5 plant-based superfoods, that is quinoa, moringa, amaranth, buckwheat and turmeric are also part of this shake, right? Moving on to the side, it says Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet again. FITTIFY is an attitude, they say. At Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet, we believe in adding more nutrition to your food and more flavor to your life. With this motto, our range has been carefully created by nutritionists and curated by celebrity Chef Kunal Kapur to combine the best of taste with health for a fitter life. Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet high protein slim milkshake, a healthy and delicious shake scientifically formulated by nutritionists with a blend of best in class whey and casein. Protein supports lean muscle building. It contains dietary fiber, 26 vitamins and minerals, and 5 superfoods. When replaced with one regular meal, you end up consuming up to 70% lesser calories versus an average Indian meal, with 50% daily vitamin nutrition as per the recommended daily allowance, thus helping you to manage weight effectively for a slimmer and fitter life. So very nice. Normally an Indian meal, they say, is about 600 to 700 kcal. I think that is a bit over exaggerated here, but yeah, so we'll take that for their word. And they say one serve of Saffola FITTIFY provides you 206 kcals of energy, which is a reduction of 500 kcals per day, which is advised to achieve a healthy weight loss of up to 4 kgs in 2 months. This is lose up to 75 grams per day, 525 grams per week, 2 kgs per month and 4 kgs in 2 months by replacing your breakfast with the Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet. So here they are given the 5 super greens which are part of this milkshake, which is quinoa, which is a source of protein, iron and 9 essential amino acids. Then there's turmeric, which is a known antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent. Buckwheat, which is a rich source of fiber, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin B2 and B3. And then there is also moringa, which is a rich source of protein, iron, calcium and vitamin C. It also has amaranth, which is gluten-free source of protein and rich in iron. So all these wholesome ingredients are carefully put together along with some amazing taste, chocolate taste. So let's see what does one serving of the Saffola FITTIFY contains. So it will contain it will provide you with 19.2 grams of protein, which is equal to 3 bowls of dal. It will provide you 4.1 grams of fiber, which is equal to a bunch of spinach, the amount of fiber that a bunch of spinach could provide. It has 270 milligrams of calcium, which is like 1.5 bowl of curd would provide you. 100 grams of vitamin C. It will provide vitamin C as much as 100 grams of grapes would provide you with. Vitamin E as much as 10 almonds, it's equal to eating 10 almonds. And iron as much as 1 cup of green veggies. So all of these nutrients packed into a glass of milkshake, which is really nice. Now let's see what is given here below. So it says this protein powder or this high protein slim milkshake has no added preservatives. It has no soy in it. There's no gluten by nature. No artificial flavors, no artificial color, no animal extracts in it. So it's a pure vegetarian product. So you can be 100% assured of that. Then they have the nutritional information given right here. The nutritional chart is right here. Right. An ideal regimen is given here how to use it. It is recommended to replace 1 or more meals a day with Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet high protein slim milkshake, or as directed by a nutritionist in combination with portion controlled diet and regular exercise for effective weight management. Recommended duration of use until healthy BMI is attained. Now again, how to use it, basically it's very simple. You just need to take 2 scoops of the FITTIFY powder, which is equal to 35 grams. Add it to 50 ml of skimmed milk. Mix it well and then add another 150 ml, so that makes it like 200 ml of skimmed milk to the powder, right? And thoroughly consume it and like mix it thoroughly and then consume it immediately for the best of taste. Now let's look at the ingredients of this. The ingredients are whey protein concentrate, which is 38.8%. The sugar is skim milk powder, 11.4%. Inulin, which is chicory root extract. Cocoa powder, 6.8. Thickeners are there: Garcinia, Cambodia, mineral premix, vitamin premix, quinoa, buckwheat, amaranth, turmeric, moringa. Contains promoted natural colors and added flavors, natural and nature identical flavoring substances. So all natural colors and everything is there. There is no side effect for additional dose. So if you accidentally end up taking an additional dose, there is no side effect of it. Product is not for medicinal use or parenteral use. Not recommended for children, keep out of their reach. Pregnant, nursing and lactating women or infants, children, adolescents and elderly should consult a doctor before use. Food for special dietary use, food for weight control and management for overweight, obese people concerned about weight. The net quantity is 420 grams. So that is the net quantity of this pack. So let's go ahead with the price. So the MRP of this product is 1599. So in 1599 MRP you get 2 packs of it right now because there's an offer going on. So 1599 you get 2 packs of Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet in that. Shelf life of this is 24 months from manufacturing date, so it's pretty good. Right. So now guys, let's go ahead and unbox it and check out how does it look. So simple twist to open cap here, and inside it is completely sealed with the silver foil. You can see the aluminum foil on this. So I'll just tear it open, and oh, there's another packet inside it. So here's a scoop. So 2 scoops of this, pretty huge scoops, makes it 35 grams. So 2 scoops of this. And inside the box you have a packet of the Saffola FITTIFY right here. Here. So So the inner pack also has Saffola FITTIFY branding on it, but Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet written right here. The flavor is stamped on it, which is Swiss chocolate with the manufacturing date. This pouch is part of Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet high protein slim milkshake, 420 gram, not to be sold individually and without the outer jar. That's all the information here given. And this product is manufactured by Kanodia Technoplast Limited. Okay. Packaging is manufactured by them. Okay, packaged, marketed and manufactured. Okay. So this is the inner pack. So we need to open it up. So let's quickly tear it open. I'm just going to quickly tear this open. And it really has a nice chocolatey aroma to it. Very much tempting. So I'm just going to empty it into the jar. Here we go. So this is how much the jar comes, like I think just a little more than 60% of the jar gets full with the powder. And yeah, I'll show you the powder. Right now I'll just show you the powder. So this is how the powder looks. Brown in color, lightish brown, not really dark cocoa colored, but lightish brown in color here. And very fine powder it is, so it can easily mix. I can see granules of sugar in it, but so this is how it looks. The aroma is amazing. It has that Swiss chocolate aroma to it, which is very nice. So let's go ahead, take 250 ml of the skim milk, mix the powder, and then add another 150 ml, and let's create the Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet high protein slim milkshake Swiss chocolate flavor. So the first thing we need to do is add 2 scoops of powder to this. So I'm quickly going to add 2 scoops of powder to my cup. So here is 1 scoop. And here is the second scoop of it. So we add 2 scoops of the powder, to which we will add 50 ml of milk, and we'll then stir it properly. So here we go, we are going to add 50 ml of the milk to it, and then we stir it. So it mixes properly and becomes like a thick milkshake. And then to that we'll add the rest of the milk. So yeah, I'm stirring it right now. So if you have a shaker, it works really well. You can easily shake it up and enjoy. Now this has turned into like a smooth paste, to which we'll add the rest of the milk right now. The other 150 ml of skim milk that I have. What I have added right now. And now we'll stir it to make it into a nice smooth chocolatey drink. So you need to really stir it well. That's why I said like a shaker really helps in this case to mix it well. So yeah, I stirred it and my chocolate milkshake is ready to go. It has like a nice chocolatey look to it. And now we are going to do a taste test of it. So here it goes. This is a taste test of the Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet Swiss chocolate flavor high protein slim milkshake. Very nice, very much chocolatey. It feels like having cold chocolate. If you make it in hot milk, I think it will become like, it will taste like hot chocolate. Very nice taste. Pretty amazing. You can also add it to a mixer, like a blender kind of a thing, to mix it faster. So I can still get a few granules in the mouth. I haven't stirred it well enough, I guess. But a shaker does the job well. Like with all the other meal replacement shakes that I had before, I've seen it that stirring with the hand really doesn't do a great job. But if you end up using a shaker, it really mixes things well. Very nice chocolatey. Nice flavor to it. So taste wise, it's an amazing milkshake, I think. So the calories which I mentioned, 206 calories it is. It is when you have it with skim milk. If you end up having it with whole fat milk or toned milk, the calorie content will be a bit more. Okay, so it all depends on the type of milk you choose and stuff. So it's best to have it, like if you're doing it for weight control, it's best to have it with skim milk. So overall taste wise, it's amazing. I really like the taste of Swiss chocolate here. Uh, so yeah, I think it's a good meal replacement shake, right? Overall quantity is good. It provides for 12 servings of it per box, which is good. Like it will work out for you for 12 days if you're replacing one meal with it. If you're replacing 12 meals, then it will work out for a week, like say 6 days. And overall, it's a good product here. Like taste wise, it's good. And definitely, if it is just providing 206 kcals, then definitely it will help with weight loss. But that's how weight loss works, right? You take in lesser calories and you burn more calories. That's how you lose weight. So that's the secret of weight loss. Basically, you need to do portion control. You have to do calorie counting, make sure that you're consuming lesser calories, and you're working out at the same time to burn more calories. So yeah, guys, that's my review about the Saffola FITTIFY Gourmet Swiss chocolate flavor. It's an amazing flavor. I really liked it. And if you guys are looking to buy it, it's available online on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I'll have a link in the description below, so you can directly go there and take it. And it's available for 1,109 bucks right now. That's how much I paid for 2 boxes. So that's an amazing discount available on Amazon. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.